all these little areas where the smoke is, that's where it's starting to catch. The color of the flame will change when it is catching. So this is just the fire reflecting. So all of this yellowish green smoke, that's heat, and the coal is starting. Alright, so that color right there, it's a little bit darker orange. That is, that's the flame starting to catch. Once we get that consistently there, whew, we will have... Alright, now let's start over here. Takes quite a bit of effort to get it started initially. Alright, I'm going to pull this away and we'll see what we got. We need to let that burn for a little bit before we put metal in it. Just so that we get enough coals to caught.